Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. I'm going to talk about how to put together a wonderful cut flower garden beyond the roses. You know, every good cut flower garden is going to start with those roses, but I believe in growing things other than roses. So here are 10 plants I like to grow in my garden to make these kind of wonderful bouquets for my wife and for other special occasions that I may need to make flowers up for. So if you've pruned all your roses, great. You've cleaned everything up. Let's get going. Delphinium, as you saw in that video, I like to bring these in as soon as they're ready in the nursery. You can also grow them from seeds. Just a fabulous plant. Dahlias, good for those summer blooms. So you put them in the ground now, and then you'll get some beautiful flowers in the summer. Come in all kinds of great colors. You can even get them at Costco. Just a really kind of beautiful cut flower plant to mix in. They may get big, so you're going to have kind of a messy cottage garden look, but I always love that look. Stargazer lily, really fragrant cut flower, lasts forever in a vase, really fragrant, probably more fragrant than most of the roses, comes in a couple different colors, just a gorgeous, gorgeous cut flower bulb that just dies to the ground and then comes roaring back up, so you only have to plant it once. Gladiola is another one you only have to plant once. A bouquet of colors. And by the way, there are links in the video description and down below for all of these wonderful plants. But I love these gladiolas. And the great thing about gladiolas is you can dig them up every 2 or 3 years and you will have a ton more. Make sure to bury that baby once you plant it. Get it down there 4 inches so it'll give some good support to that stem when it comes roaring up. Another one that comes roaring up every spring, kind of an early bloomer here in San Diego, is that Dutch iris, blue Dutch iris. I just think these are great. They come roaring up. They're very low maintenance, and they just keep popping up every March and April here in San Diego. Astromeres is another one that dies to the ground, comes roaring up. Lots of fun colors. Kind of wants a little bit of shade in the hotter parts of San Diego, but still a really kind of fun plant. Will spread a little bit. Foxglove. Now, foxglove is just your classic English cottage garden plant. It is poisonous, so if you have dogs or small kids, don't use them. If you saw the movie Casino Royale, this is the plant they used to almost kill James Bond. So again, link in the comment section for buying some of these bulbs, having them shipped straight to your house. Really kind of cool. You can also get them at nurseries as well. Moving on the list, freesias. Oh, these are just so fun. Nice little ones. Put them in the front of your flower bed. These guys will bloom every February and March here in San Diego. Lots of fun colors. Good in a vase as a classic cut flower. You always want to have some small things. This is not a small thing. This is the belladonna lily, a nice cousin of the amaryllis. Can get big. Easy to divide. Here's mine after only 4 years. It got so massive, I dug it out, divided it into about 10 of these guys, hand them out to my clients so we can spread the love of this belladonna lily. Big boy, it's just huge. Now getting back to smaller, more manageable ones, snapdragons. Lots of fun colors. This is a wonderful annual. It's not going to come back. But you can get the seeds and it just comes roaring up any time of the year. As long as you have mild frost conditions, it's just a bouquet of fun colors. And one of my new ones that I discovered last year and I love, and it's coming back up in my garden, it reseeded, are these Iceland poppies. These are just so fun. You can buy them by the 16-pack, or you can also get the seeds from the links below. Just fabulous. So there you are. 10 flowers that I love to have in my garden, my cut flower garden, in addition to all those roses. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what flower you like to have in your cut flower garden. And good luck with your gardening project. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.